cleaner robot. My ID number is 24CS046.
Hello everyone, my name is Jailadwa. My ID number is 24CS045.
Hello everyone, my name is Dharmik Wagani and my ID is 24CS104.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushika Patel. My ID is 24CS030.
Hello everyone, my name is Jailadwa. My ID number is 24CS045. Today I would like to explain how the vacuum cleaner robot works. The robot moves in a random pattern or follows a preset path. It uses a sensor to avoid an obstacle and make turns when needed. When the sensor detects an object in front of the robot, it stops, turns and moves in another direction. As the robot moves, the vacuum mechanism picks up dust from the floor.
I am Dharam Lakhani. My ID number is 24CS046. So, advantages of our project is no need to push a vacuum manually. The robot cleans on its own. While the robot is vacuuming, you can focus on other tasks. Using Arduino makes it simple to program and modify based on your needs. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P. It has 14 digital input or output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, a power jack, and ICSP header and a reset button. Arduino Uno helps to create interactive projects giving smart solutions by automation. It delivers a platform to manage various elements like LEDs, sensors, and motors using code, fostering learning and innovation.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushika Patel. I am first year engineering student. My ID is 24CS032. Today I would like to explain ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensors are based on the principle of sound waves which are emitted by transducer and then reflected when they encounter an obstacle. An ultrasonic sensor is electronic device that measure the distance of target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and convert the reflected sound into an electrical signal. It works by emitting high-frequency sound pulse across a space and then measuring the time it takes for those pulse to return as the echo of any nearby object. The time between the initial signal.
A lithium-ion battery is a type of a rechargeable battery that is charged and discharged by lithium-ion moving between negative and positive electrodes. Lithium-ion batteries are a very powerful, lightweight and very high energy density battery that are used in consumer electronics. In this project, we use 7.5 volt 2500 mAh battery.
Motor driver. A motor driver, also known as a control motor, is an electronic device or module that controls and manages the operation of an electric motor. It serves as an interface between a motor controller or other control system and the motor itself, enabling precise control of the motor speed, direction, and other parameters.
The servo motor. Servo motor is a closed loop mechanism that incorporates positional feedback in order to control the rotational or linear speed and position. The motor is controlled with an electric signal, either analogous or digital, which determines the amount of movement, which represents the final command position of the stuff. It is a highly specialized motor designed for precise control of rotatory or linear motion. It's rotational motor that employs a feedback mechanism to ensure exact position, typically using a control signal that detects the motor's movement to a desired position.
A gear motor is a motor designed with an integrated gearbox. The electric motor generates rotational motion and torque, which is then transmitted to the gears. The gears serve a mechanical amplifier by increasing or decreasing the speed and torque of output. In this project, we used 12 volt 100 rpm motor.